Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you're here for the first time, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, a veteran in this channel, welcome back for yet another exciting episode of Risk Money and Insurance, or should we rather say investments. So today we are definitely focusing on the importance of investing, and I'll share my own journey as well around investments and all of that later on. And I just want you to know that, it's not too late to start investing. You can definitely start on today. This video is sponsored by Brokestock, and I would encourage you guys to go and download the app using the link in my description box, and for you to also start your journey and unlock that financial freedom as an investor. And I will definitely say there is just so much information on that app. Like, I am enjoying it so far. The market updates, if you're someone who doesn't really like scrolling and reading the news all the time, I think it's a great way to just get a summary of what's happening in the market. They've got specials that are running. For example, this is like the easiest way for you to make 500 rands, you and your friend to make 500 rands. What you need to do, they're running a referral bonus. They've increased it to 500 rands. So you have to download the app, of course, and then send a referral link to your friend or a family member, because it's a good way for you to share something that you love and enjoy, right? So if you're also enjoying it and you share it, then if they download the app and they make like 1,000 rands deposit within 7 days of downloading the app, both you and your friend or partner or family member then get 500 rand beginning of the following month. So it's an easiest way to make, honestly, 500 rands. So I'll definitely give it a try. And I think what I've been particularly enjoying about the app is definitely learning about the different investment strategies, and they also just like summarize things nicely, give you like dates and event dates and calendar dates around dividend payments and all of that. Depending on your own investment strategy, right, you can decide on, okay, which shares or stocks should I buy, which ETFs should I buy, all these different things, which currency should I buy, which metals should I buy. So it's really, really exciting, and I think you guys need to really join me on this journey as we explore and learn more about investing. And I know in the past I've spoken about investments, but I haven't really taken you guys on a journey to show you what I'm doing, and for the very first time we will be doing that in the upcoming months. So definitely join me on this particular journey. And now I'm sure you're also wondering, where have I been, what's been going on? I think for the past 2 years I've been MIA on the YouTube streets, and that is because life happens, okay? And I think I'm getting to a point where I'm no longer too hard on myself because life happens, and I'm really I'm lending my own self softly on such issues, and also just extending grace not only to myself but to other people as well, that life indeed happens. And October was just board exam season, so it was very difficult to get anything out. I had actually told myself that I'm gonna record this video and put it out somewhere around the 25th of October. Work happened and I was just like, there's no way, and here we are today. I just want to take you on this, journey of why it's important to actually start investing, because it's one of those things where we just hear it's a buzzword, we hear it, investments, but a lot of us are intimidated to actually start. And I just want to say, you need to start small. We have to start somewhere, even if it's you committing to 250 rands a month, to say, I'm going to invest this either in dividend paying shares, I'm going to invest this in volatile stocks, that will at least give me higher returns and all of that, expected returns and all of that. It's important to start. And honestly, saving is amazing, but saving will not help you create wealth. And in this channel, we're all about getting the bag, managing the bag well, and then finally growing the bag. And investments are part and parcel of us growing that bag. Saving will get you to a certain level, but investments will take you further. We've spoken about compound interest on the channel, the famous quote, he who understands it earns it, he who doesn't pay it. We all know that story. Well, it's also a good way to get those compounded returns, because let's be honest, even if you do put money in a bank account, and you just save it there, you're not going to get as high returns compared to if you, of course, take the money and invest it, right? So the whole purpose of investing is to accumulate and to earn those returns. So it's a good way to earn those returns in the long run specifically, and you are able to then see your money grow, and that is when you tap into this dimension of making your money work for you. So it becomes important. Your money can't work for you in a bank account. It has to go to investments for it to start working for you. And I think particularly for women, women are actually intimidated by investments a lot. I think with men, statistically, it's shown that they take a risk and they invest. But with women, we tend to, want to keep money under the mattress. But if we look at the stokvel industry, savings like that, I mean, the estimated amount is like 50 billion, and I know we throw around this figure a lot, but I believe that it's way more than that. And majority of stokvels really are driven by women, right? And it's women coming together, pulling funds and all of that. So I'm challenging those stokvels. Instead of us saving for groceries, saving for all these small things, how about we tap into investments as well, because that's the only way we can really secure our future and our family's future, by us investing and allowing our money to grow over time and create sustainable wealth in the long run. So it becomes really important. And I also feel on a more personal level, my journey with saving, has been easy to save, but also tapping into investments has been a challenge. And for my sort of like long-term type of investments, I entrust that to investment companies. But when it comes to short-term goals, medium-term goals, I have put it upon myself to say, let me actually start exploring more. And I think I'm also really excited to just grow my portfolio with you. I think right now my portfolio somewhere around 1.5, nothing much, but over time I'm planning on either putting like a 500 rand or 1,000 rands each and every single month, buy new stocks and like sort of see how it goes. And I think I haven't really decided on my investment strategy at this point, but we will discuss that further in the next video once I have wrapped my head around what is it that I want to do. But I definitely want to explore a bit more, and if you're someone who's also on some I'm not sure if I want to take on the volatility that comes with stocks and all these things, like just share prices and things going up and down. If you're someone who's scared, then it's also like a good way to start would be to investing in something that's a bit more stable, right? Like your exchange traded funds, those are really stable, and you can sort of start with those. But of course, more is on the Brokestock app, honestly, and if you really want to learn, then these videos you must not miss, not even a single video, because we will be definitely chatting a lot around investing and how you can start and what I'm doing, what I'm getting wrong. And I think another important thing is also not to get scared, right? Because when you monitor your own portfolio, you might see that, oh shucks, everything is red, or like everything else is red. There's one thing that's like green, it's gone up, other things have gone down. It becomes important to just keep calm, relax. It's not the end. Don't react too quickly. Wait it out and see how it goes, but also keeping informed and all of that stuff. So I think it's really, really exciting that we are able to start from saving, but also get to investing as well. And of course, if you have any questions, just drop them in the chat or drop them in the comment section. I'm even saying chat. Drop them in the comment section below. I'm really excited to hear about your own story. Are you investing? Are you planning on starting? You know, what are your fears around just investments in general? Because I think sometimes we don't really open up spaces to talk about these things. What are you most afraid of, you know, to start investing? What are you most afraid of? Why haven't you started? Why has investments not been a thing? Or why are you investing? Why is it a thing for you? So thank you so much for watching. I'm going to try to keep this videos short so that they're not too long. You know, we're just going to keep them short, sweet and short. And I hope to see you guys in the next upcoming video. Oh, bye. Oh yeah, I love you so much, and oh, bye. It's been a while, okay?